Hey guys, so today is a major reset day. House is a hot mess, very gloomy. So you can tell it's been raining all day. I'll definitely start with the room. It's quickest and I can get some laundry started as well. Also need to tackle down the kitchen because I made breakfast and I went shopping. I haven't put anything away, and I've also started gathering some stuff and put in the trash. And then I also have a haul. So there's a couple things on the countertop that is actually for my haul. So I'm just gonna consolidate it. Christmas tree is up and beautiful. Love her. Probably like the first year where this is like our tree, and so like these are our ornaments that we're gonna keep for years to come. And he is so adorable. I'm obsessed with him. Definitely gonna make my couch look like a couch. Been watching YouTube for the past hour since my phone's been charging. Put away this clothes. This is also part of my haul for Home Goods. Put my shoes away. There's socks everywhere. We're gonna start cleaning. Sun's already starting to come out a little bit, so there's a little bit more light in the room. Trying to see if I can switch this. Oh, I never knew how to use that button. Sure if it'll let me switch. It won't let me switch, so I'll just switch the camera. I have my cleaning supplies, so I'm gonna clean out all the countertops and stuff. But first, I'm just going to declutter this mess and kind of leave products in the grout for a minute while I clean this room. That way it penetrates better. Just gonna get pink stuff. Definitely gonna get some bathroom foamer and toilet cleanser. I'm just gonna take these three and up here. I feel like the bottom thing on the door that grips where all the water just falls gets so dirty and has so much mold. So like I always like let it soak for 5, maybe 10, 15 minutes just so the mold gets eaten up because it gets so gross. So soaking in the bottom and all the grout is just soaking. Rose, that's like everything that came from there. That is disgusting. Seems like my colors just finished. Oh, yep. It's time to unload and reload to backs. All right, so now I have to go ahead and tackle this kitchen. try and make it look a bit more presentable. Take out this trash. It only looks like this because they don't pick it up Fridays and Saturdays, so Sunday is the day. I'm hoping to finish cleaning the living room and the kitchen area by the time laundry is done, but let's see. This is all the dust that we just picked up today. After brooming, this is what comes out of the floor. Double cleanse your floors, broom, and then vacuum because all this dust is disgusting. All right, so now that our water is on a boil, this is what we're gonna use to clean the floor. I'm gonna go get some of my Fabuloso. Love her, been using her for years. And my good old spin mop. All right, so I'm gonna finish the vlog here. Laundry's still finishing up. I need to do the bed and iron that pile. Other than that, the house is pretty clean. I just have a couple other commitments I need to film by today. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't know how this vlog is gonna end up. It's been a minute since I've done one, but hopefully it's a good one.